What's going on, everybody? How are you doing? As you can see in the bucket there, we got some WaterCress. I am making a hole in our ice right now to put our floating pot. We don't have running water right this second, but come spring, we will have some running water. As you can see, we got our square hole. Probably wondering why. That's because the floating planter I'm going to be using is this an old fish net that I got. Just made out of a PVC frame. And then just like fishing net sewn around the edges here. It also does have weights so that the bottom goes down a little bit. But either way, that fits in there like it's supposed to. As you can see, the weights don't really do too much, but that's okay. Well, I guess they're doing a little bit once you push them down. All right, let's grab the WaterCress. Once we know if this WaterCress will survive, we can build something a little bit more permanent. Like I said, just experiment, seeing how this is gonna work, if it's gonna survive or not. Here we got our WaterCress. You can see it's got some really nice roots on it. So we're gonna take a WaterCress and just put it in here. It will float long term. The roots would be able to grow through the net here and grow down into the water, which is perfect. So I will have to check up on that and make sure that it does not freeze over. So I'll have to come out here with an ice pick and chisel away every once in a while. But I'm hoping that we can baby this WaterCress at least through spring, because once spring comes and the ice is off the pond, we can get this beast set up, which is gonna have some moving water here, and the WaterCress will enjoy that, and then we will enjoy eating the WaterCress. So it'll be a full cycle. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Peace.